Hi, Dr. Strickland. This is Sue Lentini with my first reflection on YouTube. Um, After class yesterday and reading the assignments from the book, some things that I have learned about researching is how to use ERIC, which, I always used ERIC before and just typed in whatever I was searching for, but I didn't know that there was a standard controlled vocabulary where they use descriptor words in order to help you find more articles, which is very helpful, especially with the topic that I think I'm going to be doing for my research project, which is nonverbal learning disability. Some of the challenges that I have encountered, especially while searching for some articles to bring in for tomorrow's class, is the fact that I don't know that there is that much information out there about nonverbal learning disability that would be empirical research, unless if maybe I'm just not using the right wording to try to find articles on that. And I'm not sure that I have empirical articles that I have found, so that's one of the things that I have found to be a challenge because I'm not really sure if they're empirical or not. There's a lot of data in there. I'm not sure that it was the authors who actually collected the data, or if they are looking at studies from other articles and just compiling that together there. Some successes that I did have was I was very happy that I was able to find some articles on nonverbal learning disability, and there's a lot of questions that I have, so I'm not really sure what direction I want to take my research in, but I'm just trying to understand my son better since that's what he was diagnosed with. And all along my husband and I thought that he had a lack of motivation, but as I'm reading more about nonverbal learning disability, I am learning that it is possible that it might not be a lack of motivation. So it might be somewhere that I want to go with my research. Is it that he's afraid to risk because he has social anxiety as well, or is it really the fact that he has a lack of motivation? My next steps would be deciding, I guess, exactly what direction I do want to go with my research. And in order to do that, I think I need to find some more articles to find out if I have enough to research on if it's motivation or if it may be that he's afraid for taking risks. So I think that would be my next direction. And I think that I may have answered all of the questions. See you in class tomorrow.